She's still vacuuming. Just in case you couldn't hear it before, I'll just say this is part 2 of. It's actually part 2 of 3, but I didn't record the first one. But I mean, I have like a million fucking days where I could prove she does this daily. Like every hour. Like I said, I have a fucking whole group where I daily uploaded this bullshit. Just to prove that this isn't like a one-off thing. Nope. Nope. This is daily. It's one thing or another. Usually they were doing this and learning that thing, which I've proven the first time I had that uploaded, the first time I ever heard it, which was 6 months after I lived here. I had another neighbor up there who never did that. They were here, it was September, July, 2 months before that started, and then they didn't do it again, and then they started doing it all the time. It's on purpose. It's absolutely fucking on purpose. Like, literally, I have days and days where she's like, oh, 4 times today, 5 times today. I have it all documented.